You count? 3.
Start from the beginning. 1. Do you want to be on the computer?
Yeah.
Okay, count then. 1, 2. Mommy will put you on the computer. 3. Go ahead.
You really can't touch it.
Show them how you can count.
You look beautiful.
You do look beautiful, T.
Uh-oh, that's a
Okay.
no-no.
Oh, is that in the way?
Yeah.
Okay, now count.
do it.
Now do it.
1.
2.
After 2.
What's next?
4.
3.
5. 4.
Bump. Be careful.
3.
Are you blowing? Yes, you were.
Dora.
Yes, you
No,
were.
not.
Yes, you are.
Dora.
You were going, oh, Dora.
Yeah.
Dora.
Wake up.
You wake up. I'm not sleeping. I'm going to go to sleep.
You can count with her, guys.
Wake
Did-
up.
Oh, who's waking me up? Are you going to count?
Yeah.
You count. That'll wake me up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
7,
8,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
14.
13.
14.
Hooray! We
Hooray,
did it!
Christiana!
Yay!